Good evening all. My name is Rajkumar Bosle. Today date is 27 September 2021. Today video topic is constructor in Java. Let's see what is in constructor in Java. In Java, a constructor is a block of codes similar to the methods. It is called when an instance of the class is created at the time of calling constructor. Memory or further object is allocated in the memory. It is a special type of method in which the user to initialize the object. Every time object is created using a new keyword, at least one constructor is called. It is called a default constructor if there is no constructor is available in the class. In such cases, Java compiler provides default constructor. Default constructor by default. There are two types of constructor in Java. There is a arg parameter constructor and a non-parameterized constructor. Note: there is an important part. It is called constructor because it constructs the value at the time of object creation. It is not necessary to write a constructor for a class. It is because Java compiler creates a default constructor if your class does not have any constructor. There are some rules for creating the constructor. First rule is the constructor name must be the same name as the class name. Then second is the constructor must have no explicit return type. Then a constructor cannot be abstract, static, and final and synchronized. We can use the access modifier, which while declaring the constructor, it controls the object creation. In other words, we have a private, protected, public, default, and constructor in Java. There are two types of constructor. That is a default constructor. It is also called as non-parameterized constructor, and second is a parameterized constructor. Let's see first what is mean by constructor is called as a default constructor and it does not have any parameter. Let's take an example. Create a class. There is a name bike, and then creating default constructor bike. In this out bike is created, and then create a public static file main method. Main method is main method and called bike 1. B is equal to new bike 1. It gives the output that is bike is 1 is created. Then next is the what is the purpose of default constructor. The default constructor is used to provide default values like 0, null, etc. depending upon the type. Example of default constructor that is displays the default value, that like create a class student 3, that is int id, then a string name, then while display sysout println id space name plus name. In the main method, create a object of the student 3, s1 is equal to new student 3, and create another object student s2 new student s3, and we can call s1 dot display and s2 dot display, which is output is 0 null and 0 null. Then they create and the next type is a Java parameterized constructor. A constructor which has a specific number of parameters is called as a parameterized constructor. Why use of let's see why the use of parameterized constructor. The parameterized constructor is used to provide different values to distinct objects. However, we can provide the same values also. Example of parameterized constructor: create a class student in which int id string name, use student int I string n. Create int id is equal to I, name is equal to n, and while display sysout id plus space plus name. And then in main method, that is public static file string argument, create a object of the student, that is student s1 is equal to new student 111, that is the roll number and name is Rajkumar. That is create another object of student s2 is equal to new student, that is give the roll number, that is 222, and name is name is Rishi, and it is yes, we can call the object the method that is x1 dot display, and it should display the output is given as the 111 Rajkumar and 222 Rishi. That is all about the today's video topic constructor in Java. Thank you.